Hello friends, in last videos we have seen how to install the Python and Anaconda navigators, but after that some of you have sent me that they are getting this type of error, that is Python is not recognized as an internal or external command and operable program or batch file. So there may be chances, that is you have not installed your Python properly, or another chance is that your Python is not added to the path. So we will check what types of error or why the error we are getting. So go to your control panel, programs and features. In that, check for your Python in that installed list. So here in my system we can see we have Python 3.8 as well as Python 3.9, both are installed. So if you also have the Python installed in your programs list, then there might be the another reason, that is your Python is not added to the path. So to add the Python to path, we will go to my computer or say this PC, right click on it and go to properties. In that we will see the advanced system settings. In that also, in advanced, go to environment variables. In environment variables we will see the user variable. So in that user variable, select path and edit. So as my Python is running quite good, so my Python at in the list of paths, the Python is at top. But if in case you are getting that error, means your Python is not in the list, or your Python is somewhere below in the list, say just like this, that means your Python is at number 3 4. Okay, so bring the Python to path means select this your Python path, means this is the path of the file, that is python.exe file. So select this path and click on move up. So move up till when it is reaching at the top. So when it is at the top, and after that you have to bring the Python scripts, means at number 1 you should have the path of your python.exe file, and at number 2 you should have the Python scripts. Then click OK, again OK, and OK. So after doing this you must be able to run the Python. So to check this, we will again go to our command prompt. Say start command prompt and type Python, and you will get the version of Python which you have installed on your computer. So thank you for your feedbacks, and if still you are getting some error, so you can message me or you can write in the comment box. Thank you.